Okay friends, this is going to be the last video. I'm going to add navigation here. I'm going to remove this header. The search, I'm going to leave it in the navigation, and here I'm going to change the look for the design for this movie card. Okay, let's open the VS Code, and inside the app.js, here when we have the h1 and the div, I'm going to add this navigation. So select all, copy, and don't worry, I'm going to add in the GitHub repository so you can find there. And I'm going to paste it in here. Type is going to be search, and let's remove the name and the ID. And I'm going to add also the onChange event handler in here. And let me indent something like this, so we can see what properties we have. Okay. Now let's remove the h1 and the div here. And if I save, go to the browser, and yeah, we have something like this. If I go in the home page and filter the lion, yeah, everything is working. Now what we need here in the anchor tag, I'm going to remove this because we don't need the anchor tag. What we need the link here. So instead of anchor tag, I'm going to say link to the home page, and I'm going to add the class name to be what we have inside this anchor tag. So cut from here and paste it inside here, and let's say React movie. Let's remove now this one, and we have this location, but I'm going to add only the about page here. So I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to say link to the about page. Okay, remove the ref here. Class is going to be class name, and that's it. Remove that from here. Now instead of something like this, I'm going to say just about. Okay, now remove the other anchor tags, and also this one. Save it, come here, and yeah, now if I click the about, we have the about. Go to the home page. Very good. And also make a search here, so lion. Very good. Next one, let's add a margin here. So this is the search label for search, And in this one, I'm going to say margin bottom to be 8. Okay, save it. And yeah, now it's more okay. Now let's fix this one, and I'm going to use this card here. So I'm going to select all, copy, go to the movie details, and here I'm going to display that one. So we have poster and so on, but let's remove this thing, and I'm going to select all the classes here because we need class name. Okay, change them to the class name. Okay, next, this image, the source is going to be from the property, and we need to self-close that because it's React component. So we can say poster here. Very good. And in the alt we can say title. Okay. Next one, where we have the title in here, let's display the title. Okay. And if I save, go back, go to the browser and refresh, yeah, here it is, and I think it's very good. Also, we can display that this is lorem ipsum. So after that, I'm going to say span and display the year and the runtime. So I'm going to say year, and let's copy and duplicate that. And now I'm going to say runtime. Okay. If I save and go back, and yeah, we have the year and the runtime. And maybe add some classes here. So I'm going to say class name to be margin 2 and padding 2. I'm going to say bg slate 300, and text is going to be slate 800. Okay, and also rounded MD. If I save and see now, yeah, something like this, the same for the runtime. So let's copy this one and paste it inside here. Save it, come here, and I think we are okay. Now I'm going to remove this, or just add margin to be 6 and padding 4. Okay, like this. I think we are okay now. Go to the homepage, about, and go to the single page. All the best, friends. If you like a content like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video. See you in the next one.